Hi, my name is Doug with Clean Water Systems Northwest. The purpose of this video is to show the water test results for the Fox Hill Estates in Stanwood. We recently were up there and did a water analysis off of one of the homeowners' outside faucets. And again, the purpose of this video is to show those test results and to talk about what the homeowners in that area can do to remedy their water problems. So first of all, I want to talk about the tests that we completed, and I'll go over these with you and explain to you what these mean. We did a TDS test, which is total dissolved solids, and that just kind of gives you an overall idea of what the content of the solid content of the water is, and that is 186. That doesn't mean we found particulate or dirt or any kind of sediment or silt or anything, but that kind of relates to the other minerals that are in the water. We also did a pH of 7.7, which is a good pH. It's a little bit on the alkaline side, and that's just fine. The iron was minimal at 0.3 parts per million or less, so you could get a little bit of staining in your home from the little bit of iron that is in that water supply. Also, we had manganese of about 0.05 parts per million or less. Again, that would cause a little bit of staining in the home in your various fixtures. The chlorides were real normal at about 30 parts per million, so you didn't have a chloride problem, and those are salts, and so your water's good that way. The alkalinity was in the normal range, which I would expect for that type of a pH also. Tannin, we didn't really find any tannin at 0.05 parts per million or less. Most water has a little bit of tannin, but again, in your case, for Fox Hill Estates, it's not a problem. The big problem that Fox Hill Estates has in their water supply is the hardness. Now, the hardness is calcium and magnesium. And of course, that's the white, chalky, crusty buildup that you would get on your shower heads, your nozzles, maybe on your sink faucets, the sinks themselves and the tubs, and also maybe in the aerators on your sink. You'll notice that white, chalky buildup. That is calcium and magnesium, and that is referred to as hardness. You have 10 grains per gallon in the Fox Hill Estates. Now, nationally speaking, 3.5 grains per gallon is mild, 5 grains per gallon is considered medium, 7 grains per gallon is considered hard water, and 10 grains per gallon is considered very hard. And so that's typical for the Stanwood community well supplies and city well supplies, because those water sources do come off of wells. Also on Camano Island, everybody's on a community well or on a private well, and also everyone has hard water, at least of 10 grains per gallon and even higher on some parts of Camano Island. So the hard water is really the big problem, the one main problem, and the problem that everybody shares on Camano and Stanwood is hardness. And so with hard water, of course, you know, you'll plug up your shower heads, your dishwasher jets. It scales up in your hot water tank, causing your hot water tank to work harder and not heat as efficiently as it would if you didn't have hard water. It's hard on clothes. You use more soap in your washing machine. It breaks down the fiber of clothing. It scales up inside water lines and water pipes as time goes on. And, you know, coffee pots, different appliances, anything that uses water, 10 grains per gallon of hardness is very hard. And as time goes on, will cause problems with your plumbing. How do you remedy that? Well, at Clean Water Systems Northwest, we do all types of filtration. We treat every kind of water problem. For that particular problem, a good water softener is what you would need. Most of the time they're easy to install, easy to plumb, they're very low maintenance, easy to operate, and it'll make your life a whole lot better as far as your water that you use right now if you don't have a softener on your system. And so anyway, give us a call if you want to talk to us how you can fix this with a good quality water softener. What the costs are, what the benefits are. We'd be happy to come out to your home and show you what you can do. And again, like I say, this is a common thing for Stanwood and Camano. And of course we run into all kinds of water problems in both spots. But the hardness for the Fox Hill Estates, that is the main concern of your water, and those are the kinds of things that will happen if you do not put a water softener on your system. So anyway, give us a call, 425-530-9023. That's 425-530-9023. We'll be happy to talk with you and come out free of charge. We can test your water again when we come out to show you what it is currently for that day, and also go over some options with you on how to fix it if that's what you're looking to do. So thanks for watching the video. Have a great day and hope to hear from you soon.